So heto na naman si Congress Meo, ang pusang may saltik mula Etivac, si Kiko Barzaga.
Congressman Kiko Barzaga. Good evening, Congressman.
Simbaho.
At may bago na naman siyang pasabog para sa mga fans niyang kulto ni Digongyo. Pero bago ang lahat, eto muna ang kanyang signature greeting.
Here.
Yeah.
Hello, good evening everyone.
I don't know how to react to that, pero
May update raw siya tungkol sa kinahaharap niyang ethics complaint dahil sa mga katarantaduhan niya online at maging sa mismong session sa lower house.
let's start off with the ethics complaint. I heard there was a closed-door ethics hearing yesterday. How did that go?
Yesterday, no.
Was it yesterday or?
It was the one I attended was last week. Yesterday,
Last week, okay.
I have filed for a motion to reschedule it since my legal advisor was sick. So then, what happened last week is that I made the motion to open it to media, though the motion was denied. And then afterwards, it was just regular closed-door meetings. I don't really know why it's a closed-door meeting or what purpose they have of keeping it closed.
But in any case, how did that go?
Just the usual ethics complaint.
Ayon kay Kiko, plano umano ng Kamara na tanggalin siya bilang mambabatas at gusto raw tapusin ang proseso bago mag-adjourn ang Kongreso ngayong Disyembre. Well deserved kung ganun nga.
According to their plan.
What does
Which
that mean?
is?
Well, they plan on removing me from Congress within the next few months or within maybe this month. The Ethics Committee Chairman is Chairman Abalos,
Okay.
nephew of former DILG Abalos. And then afterwards, we just discussed, we made motions on when the hearing would be and which witnesses to call, though some of the witness that I claimed was denied. And then afterwards, it was supposed to be yesterday, but now it would be scheduled for tomorrow.
How many more hearings are you going to get? Do you know?
I'm not really sure. It depends. because
Before they
want
make a decision?
Yeah, they want to finish it before session adjourns on December.